Good. Oh, mate. Good afternoon, DJ. Is it still recording? I don't know what's happening. We good here? All right. It is still Tuesday, February 17th. The time is currently 1:23 p.m. PM session. About to kick off. I just arrived at my desk when I started this, so 1:23. As always, my weekly target's 5%. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to continue to grow and get 1% better in these markets. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News, no news of note to mention going into the PM session, but we've had news today, all right? Still making an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today is 1.5 max on each account, and we have per trade is zero point 0.5 of the account size. Weekly program going to this week is a sell program, but we're not taking that into effect. We're just letting the price action show us what we want to say, but nothing's really happened since we've been away to change that for us here. So we're gonna elect to stick with that weekly program of being in a sell program. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
We're doing well. We're doing well. Better than we was earlier.
That's good. That's good. We'll take it. We'll take it. So you want to talk about it then?
Yeah, I mean, so this is why I ended up uh, putting my stop loss at TP1 was because I was into the market and then I got a
Mhm.
call that needed my
Yeah.
full attention.
Right.
But I think not even I think, I know that fear crept in at that point and was like,
Right.
you're not gonna be able to pay attention to this. Just stay, at least get whatever profits you can from it. Don't let yourself go to break even or I mean I could have left it at break even, but that wasn't my thinking at the time. I
Yeah.
just wanted to make sure that I ended up with
Secure the
profits.
right.
So that's where me making that irrational decision came from.
Do you think that you're putting somewhat also pressure on yourself because now you're out of drawdown, right? So you're trying to maybe stay up in the account. Do you think that also played a part too?
I don't think about the account. I think
Yeah.
just more so I mean, yeah, it could be. It could have
Yeah.
for sure. On the account. I mean, let me see. I'm about 216 up from the original amount of the account.
Yeah.
So, trying to stay above, I guess is potentially where could be.
Hmm.
So, let's see what.
Well, the great thing is at least you're self-aware, right? That's the most important part because some people do things and they just accept it like, oh yeah, it is what it is, right? But you're aware that hey, you made a mistake and you know why obviously you did what you did. The only what thing you can do is just learn from it really and truly.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Yeah.
really it. And
Yeah.
the other thing too is like taking cleaner virgin order blocks or virgin breakers.
Right. Yeah. Just like we with me and the Virgin liquidity for sure. I feel you on that one.
Yeah. I was looking right now, I was looking at it and I was just like, damn, like I don't really see like there's this breaker,
Hmm.
order block term breaker from 6 a.m. on Friday. That it's gotten tapped into one, two, three, four, five, six times.
Right.
I shouldn't consider it anymore as like a area of interest, even though it looks like it, but it's like remember we was talking about like the blind spots?
Hmm.
Like I feel like at that point, like that's just like it's not even a blind spot anymore. It's really just constantly touching it, so it's invalid.
Right.
So going forward, like there even this order block this morning at 4 a.m. on the 1 hour,
Yeah. 1 hour.
it got tapped into one, two, three, four, five, six, seven times already. Like Price keeps using it as like an area to come into.
Hmm.
Um, but it's not clean. Like it's not a clean setup that it's giving, you know?
Right, 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 right.
So I think that's another thing that I came to my realization today with.
I mean, that's good. I mean, yeah, you're 1% better today than you were yesterday, so
That's it.
we'll take it.
1, 2, 3, yep. Yep, 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 yep.
So are you seeing anything going into the PM session? Or
Uh, PM session, I did see something small, but it wasn't, again, it's not aligning with, it's not a virgin order block.
right, 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 right,
So, like, I'm gonna keep collecting data. I mean, just off of first glance, like, the 4 hour and the 1 hour is trying to be in the markets. Like, being here, I would probably have to be here a little bit more often,
right.
wanting to trade those higher time frames.
Yeah, for sure, definitely.
Just because sometimes it gets into my area of interest and it's like a random ass hour, like
Right, 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 right. Later on down the day or something. Yeah, yeah.
10 p.m. or something like that. So I'm thinking maybe the 1 hour and the 30 minute, but
Mm-hmm.
we gotta collect the data on that. Just
Right,
re go through the strategy and just stick to it for the week.
right, 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 right. And see what happens.
Yep, that's where we're at right now.
Yeah, that's a good place to be. I mean, at least now you have a plan of action, right? Moving forward of what you want to collect data on. So
Yeah, how was yours?
it was good. It was really good. But I'm still watching this buy, but I think it would have come in. No, it probably would still be in it because entry was down here somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I'm waiting to see if we take dealing range to the buy side because we're so close to it right now. But yeah, morning session finished pretty good. Ended on this buy right here. No complaints. I like where I'm at. I like what I see in price action
I
for
feel
sure. For
you.
sure.
We created a new lower low today, technically.
Sure did.
But due to where we are, where that this 4 hour candle started at 10 a.m.,
Yeah.
it is above that 4 hour order block that I had marked up from November. Remember what I was telling you about?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So I probably wouldn't look to trade right now. Well, I mean, I can't because I'm gonna leave in like a couple minutes.
Yeah, you're leaving soon, eh?
But we'll see how it goes for tomorrow. Because if this candle closes, this 4 hour 10 a.m. candle closes like this,
hmm
um, and it breaks this trend line that I have from 10 a.m. on Friday to now to the upside,
Yeah.
I'd be interested in a buy off of that 4 hour order block from 2 a.m. on
Monday
yes, 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 yes.
as a breaker, right?
As a breaker, flip it to a breaker. And this that would it's already been tapped into as an order block once, twice. Um, so depending on how it reacts there, it could either be a sell.
hmm
For me to be willing to buy, it would need to break above it, come back and retest it to then go higher.
But for now, it's still a sell.
Still a sell when price gets to that area, unless it see like a full close above. So I wouldn't even allow myself to take a trade as
What?
it's like moving in it.
Oh, as it's coming inside of it?
Yeah, like on the 4 hour, I wouldn't even bother to. I
hmm
think at that point, like I see that on the 4 hour, well, it also depends where time price is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so on the 4 hour, if I see that it trades into it, but we're not even close to like the close, then I probably wouldn't do much. Not even get into a sell, especially not this late in the day either.
So did you see anything else from the morning session? Any setups that, looking back hindsight were clean to you?
Just that 30-minute order block sell.
Yeah.
Because it aligned with my 4 hour order block.
Mhm.
Like wanting to sell it.
Yeah.
And it rejected it multiple times actually. Like when it got to that area,
Yeah.
it rejected it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 6 minutes straight. So for
That was the signs. They're like, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't want to go any higher.
Yeah, so for 6 minutes straight, it literally was like building like the resistance to then continue selling for the day. That's the only other really clean setup that I saw.
Yeah.
The one that I took, that was super clean, like came back all the way and then it ended up buying after, but like just at the time where I got in, like it was
Yeah.
very
Yeah. I mean, it would have given you your TP2. So
yeah.
that's a winning trade in my eyes.
Yeah, so I mean, but aside from that, I don't really see anything else. Um, I could have used that order block. So, let me not mess you up today.
No,
Um,
go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
so I was gonna say, so you see that 9
You
a.m.
want to share
candle?
your screen? Let's see what you're talking about.
All right, let me see. Let me log out of here and then log on to here. This is not it. Where do I have it? No? Okay.
I figured out what I was doing wrong back then
Where?
when I couldn't get the Zoom to come back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Be like that. All right. Well, I don't like this chart. Hold on. Yeah, all right, cool. Right, so three, where you at? Share this. All right, can you see it?
Yeah.
All right, this is not touch. I forgot.
You're trying to touch. Go on, go up there, go up there.
Yeah. All right, so like when we were talking about Virgin, like you see how this order block got tapped into one, two, like two,
Yeah,
technically speaking.
yeah,
Um,
yeah,
depending on what happens with this, right?
yeah.
If I see a rejection here, that would maybe prompt me to get into a sell.
Right.
Um, Going on the lower time frame, on this 1 hour, I don't really see like this wouldn't even classify as an order block because one, two, three, like it got violated by this wick.
Right, 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 right.
So wouldn't really use it. But on the 30-minute now, that's where I got in here.
Oh, and that order block? Yeah.
Yeah, so I did get in on the 30-minute because of this big movement, and then that's it literally what I was looking for, where I was just like, just come tap me in and then
Right,
tap.
right, right, right.
Yeah, so I was interested in using this either as a breaker or as an order block to sell or to buy.
Yeah.
Um this was the 30-minute order block that price rejected earlier in the day. But this is what I was gonna say. This is what I look for with a breaker, right?
Mhm.
So I marked this up, turns breaker. It broke through it, and then on
Mhm.
the retest into it, this is where I would probably look for an entry.
Right, right, right,
Take it to the upside.
right.
So then this is a clean
Yeah,
also.
yeah. Also, another thing to add there that probably added more confluence is the fair value gap right there with the breaker.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, so that's one of those things that on this guy's thing, he has a fair value gap. Like I don't understand. I don't
Yeah.
know
Yeah.
how to identify a fair value gap.
Yeah.
Um, so let me see. This is his thing, FBA Academy. So like he
What
has
does what does FBA stand for?
fear of being average.
Okay. All right. I'll be here for that.
Fear of being average. So he has like all these things. I watched most of this video.
Yeah.
So this is where I'm at right now. And I gotta watch these. That's what I was telling you. I gotta watch Fit Part.
Yeah. The pips. Yeah. Yeah.
So he has all of these. He has candlesticks. Don't know what OHLC is.
Yeah. I don't know what that is either.
Liquidity, fair value gaps, all that. He has price action, all these other stuff, imbalances, blah 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 blah. So like a lot of stuff.
Yeah. You got a lot of stuff there.
And then he has 126 hours of video of like past trading
Right.
sessions, and you can literally see all of them, like even
And this is what he be doing on the Telegram.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But I think this specifically is for like the community, I guess, that he has. Like he does a lot of one-on-one mentorship, like a lot. And
Right.
honestly, at this point, I think a lot of his, I mean, he does trade and he is profitable. Um, but a lot of like the money that he makes comes from mentorship.
Right. 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 Right.
So like, but for me, like I really want to make more money. Like I'm not really trying to be a mentor, at
Yeah.
least not
Yeah.
right
Yeah. Yeah. You
now.
just kind of get your money trading. Yeah. Yeah. I feel you. Yeah.
So, and then he has like I was looking through these daily case, like all of this stuff,
Mhm.
but I don't really understand it that great. So that's it.
Yeah. I mean, he seems like he got a lot of information there. And if it's working for him, obviously he has hit days and missed days. That's just what comes with trading here. But
Yeah.
it's just about taking what you can get out of it, right? And finding yourself in the charts really with whatever he's teaching,
Yeah, yeah.
pretty
Literally.
much.
Um, so that's that. But I do see where those are the things I was looking for. So that's what I was
Yeah.
trying to get at. Like the
Yeah.
when it comes to trading going forward, like
Yeah.
cleaning up the strategy
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
will require for me to look for those specific things.
Those kind of like breakers and order blocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like right now, that buy would have been nice. Like even right now, like this 4 hour is getting traded into. So
What, the one that you said you wanna wait for it to break above it?
yeah, if like I want to see if it breaks above it, or if it closes in it, like
Yeah.
I'd be type interested. Right now, it's slightly rejecting it. But I would just be patient on it. Like I'd wait for a new 4 hour to start forming
Right.
because to look for a trade within it. So like on the 4 hour. Only thing I see right here is this 12 p.m. candle on the 1 hour.
12 p.m. 12 p.m. today?
Yeah, 12 p.m. today. That
Mhm.
this is like a continuation type of order block.
Right, right, right.
Um, so I'm not too keen on it, but we'll see. That would be like a target if I got into a sell.
SL? Oh, okay, okay.
So if I got into a sell, I'd be targeting into this order block down here. Entry would be where price is right now, and then 50 points.
And you'd be getting a sell because we're in that 4 hour bearish order block, right?
Yeah, and it's showing some signs of rejection right now.
Did you lock your account already?
No,
You left the door open, yeah?
leave the door open.
Funny.
It's cool. It is what it is.
Yeah.
But I have the idea here already marked up, but
Right, right, right. So let's see if it plays out, right?
Let's see if it plays out. If it plays out, then it's just more data that's collected. If it doesn't,
Exactly. 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 Win, win, win.
always, that's it.
Yeah. So what you gonna do today?
Um, I want to go to the mall and get Sav some stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I also have to go to her grandmother's house and drop off laundry. Madrid plays at 3 o'clock.
All right. That's why you got the shirt on. You're repping.
Uh, and that's basically really all I have to do. I had to attend to parents and soccer before,
Right, 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 right.
and I still have so much to get done with that. So, but I have a soccer game to watch at 3 o'clock.
So that comes first, yeah.
Not gonna lie, like something that I noticed, like when I'm just in like go get it mode and like
Yeah.
just work, or like I just need to grind, like sometimes I like vision gets a little blurry at that point where it's just like, all right, I don't even know what the fuck I'm chasing. I don't know what I'm doing. Like
Right, right, right,
I
right.
gotta remember that I'm still a human and I need to address other aspects of my life where it's like, okay, you gotta, watch a freaking soccer game or watch a movie. Just be bored for 2.5 seconds and gather,
All right.
right? Because like if I'm constantly on the go, which like it's happened so many times, if I'm constantly on the go, like I don't get the most out of my day or like what I'm looking for.
Right, 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 right. No, I feel you. I feel you.
So that's how I feel about that. But yeah, like I need to give myself at least the 2 hours tonight to just later to watch the game and just chill.
Yeah, yeah, yep. Don't use your brain too much, you know? Let it relax a little bit.
Yeah, so we live 5 minutes from the mall.
Five
Um,
minutes?
yeah, 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna go. I know what I'm going there for. I'm gonna go get it. Probably come right back home. If I have time to go to Sav's grandma's house, I go. But if I don't, then
You can do that later, right? Another
yeah, I
time.
could do that later. I could do that tomorrow.
Yeah,
But it depends where I want to watch the game too. Like if I want to watch it here, then I just come back here. If I want to go to my parents' house,
yeah.
then I can make my way that way too, because they live 5 minutes from her grandma. So
Oh, everything is up there, right? You guys are like 30 minutes, 30, 40 minutes away.
they're more heading towards the city, and we're more east.
Got you.
So yeah, it's like a 30 minutes of a difference. Um, but I'm intrigued with how this is moving right now.
What, the cell, yeah? You would have been tagged in there already?
Yeah, I would have gotten an entry where I put my entry.
Mm-hmm.
Um, would have been in already. So, I mean, at this point, I would have to wait till 2 o'clock to take something, but I think we're just gonna sit.
Yeah, I mean, 2 o'clock you'll be out of here anyway, so you're done for the day, mate. That's it.
I locked my account already.
Yeah, yeah, good. Good.
4 hours, but yeah. But all right, let's see. I'll probably head out now then.
Yeah, go do what you gotta do.
Then I can go watch my game, and then
Yeah. Let me know how the game goes. See if they lose. Let me know if they lose.
you got anything today? No games?
No, I'm chilling today actually. So relaxing. I'm happy. I don't want, even if something did come by today, I'm turning the shit down. Like I don't want it. I don't want to see a soccer field for the next couple of days.
You get to relax. Not even no gym today.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing no gym too either. I'm gonna be icing my knees, my young knees.
That's it. So
Yeah.
stretches. Do some
Yeah,
stretches. Some
yeah,
strengthening.
I'm gonna be heavy on the stretches, boy. Heavy on the stretch when I'm done here.
All right, sound good. All right, let me know
Take care.
how your training goes. We'll
Will
talk.
do. See you tomorrow.
Yes, yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Deuces.
Happy trading.
Always. Always, always. I like this, DJ. So convenient, nicely done, free sip spout. So elegant, black, favorite color, you know? Solid. Better than, I think it's better than the stand I used to have. Woo! So we took dealing range to the buy side, all right? We went from external to external. All right, so the retracement trade here turned in from external to from retracement to a reversal. All right, session bias is back to being buy program going into PM session. Okay, so let's see how that plays out. Let's see how that goes. I'm not drawing that out. Okay, so because I'm not focusing on them, but I am paying attention here. Da, 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 da. Since we are looking for buys, let's get our internal liquidity. Mm. We do take that law, I'd be interested then. All right, I'll be interested here. Let's see how it plays out. There's my entry. There's 10 contracts, counter trend trading, so 5 will be coming off at -1. You have 2 at -2 and 1, 1, 1. So -5 is terminus on this trade. Let's see if it pans out. It is drawing a macro intervals. Right now is a macro. So doesn't make it 100% probability, but increases the probability just by tiny weeny bits. But we'll take it. Excuse me. Where is this man at the police station right now?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Okay. Gonna call his mother. Bear with me, DJ. His mother ain't pick up. I'm gonna call his brother. Bear with me, DJ. Guess none of them want to talk to me today. I'm assuming something's going off there. Because why does his location say that? Call one more time.
Your call.
All right, so we've got -1 on this setup here. Okay, risk has been reduced. 5, half of the trade has come off. All right, and we've partialed. We've partialed half of the trade off and we've reduced risk. Something is definitely going off because they're all ignoring me. Okay, they're calling back. Hold on. Hello, mom. This legit about to get beat up, boy. I'm about to get on a flight.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person.
I didn't even see how many contracts this thing let me in. 12. 12 contracts, and it's a pro trend trade. So 5 would be off here. 4 would be off. So we have 9 off already. We'll have 4 left. 10, 11, 12. -5. Wait. 5, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. -5 is 10 minutes here. This would have just given you -1 there. Fair enough. Nothing wrong with that. Just like the retracement setup this morning. DJ, I'm gonna end this one here really quickly. I can't even focus right now. I cannot. I'll stay a little bit. I mean, I'm not gonna be anticipating anything. We're just gonna watch the price print. We're gonna follow this trade here, and once it hits terminus for us, which 9 will be off, 10, 11, 12. If it gives us -5, we're out of here. All right, DJ, until it comes to take us out, we'll see it this trade through, and then we'll be done. I'm about to be up a bloody teenager. Yeah, and I can't even get through to him. That's the worst part. Like, I can't get him on the phone right now. Mhm. Hello. Hold on. You'll be getting smashed out with that DJ right there. That will end it for me here. I can't think straight. I really can't even think straight, DJ. So we're gonna finish up shop here. But this is a solid setup here. Nothing wrong with this one here. Retracement setup. -1's been smashed already. Coming for these relative equal lows down here. DJ, what I did well this PM session is that I showed up, or I got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading day, next trading session. 14. Go closer to my model, my procedures and protocols, all right, didn't deviate from it, right, kind of stuck by it and watched price, all right, trading view. I don't know if the thing is still not working, but it doesn't matter anyway. There's nothing wrong with tape reading setups and watching what price does and having no attachment to the trades. Oh, we're watching that one right now, actually. So 2 partials here, and then we begin taking out at break even there. -1 against, you would have took a loss here. If you waited for 1 minute, it would have been here. Yeah. What's the different trade setup anyway, so it would have been fine. Would have taken this loss 1 minute right here. Then this interval gave you this setup right here anyway. Where I fell short, DJ, would be obviously not being completely here. All right. Just threw me off really and truly. The information I just got, and it's just I can't think straight, so I don't really want to be in front of the markets, trying to wrestle with what I'm wrestling with and be in front of these charts. Okay, so I'm very happy with myself for understanding my mental state, right? And being like, you know what, I'll come back to this tomorrow, because it's for now anyway, it's not going anywhere. So I'll be back tomorrow to see what tomorrow has in store for us. But as far as PM session goes, I'm done here. How I can improve for next day, next trading session is just keep showing up, keep seeking excellence in everything that I do. Don't let short-term adversity, series of losses deter me from what I got going on. And yeah, just keep sticking to my model, procedures, and protocols. They've shown themselves to be working, right? Until the data says otherwise, right? We're gonna keep sticking to it and keep letting it do its thing. Tomorrow we have FOMC, or I also have high impact news in the morning. FOMC in the afternoon. Morning session or PM session should be better price action, but we'll still be here in the morning. We're kicking up at 9:15 DJ. Until tomorrow, we're watching this retracement sell here. Based on oh well, actually, when we closed here, we hadn't taken anything, so potentially right here, this one or this one here was the okay setup. Continue to the next one. This one panned out. This is something that we are collecting data on. I just watched Thursday's one just last night, where I said I'm collecting data on when the setup continues to the next interval, all right, and completes in the next interval. This is another data that's banked towards it working out, all right? So we have 2-on-2 or 3v2 right now on the data sets, all right? 3-4 against and 3-4-4, right? So yeah, still collecting data on that for now. Okay, it's fine. We're gonna keep taking those trades, all right, until more data has been banked. But until tomorrow, DJ, I'm the trader here, signing out on a quick one here. Good luck, good trading, happy hunting.